I have a love-hate relationship with these cheap motorcycles. These cheap ones that you can buy for like, you know, 900 bucks or something, $400 on sale. Because they're so easy to work on, but they're such garbage. Like, a lot of the metals are crappy. Like this, that, rusted. And this is a 2021, a 21. But the engines are pretty decent. They're simple, they're basic, they're like Honda clone engines. The whole electrical system on this thing is pretty easy to fix and test. But every part on this thing, when you're buying it, when you're buying parts for, say, your Honda, Yamaha, everyone says don't buy the cheap, you know, imitation parts. That's all this thing has is imitation parts. So buying parts for this thing is cheap. They're all over the internet to replace it. You know, it's simple. So very basic setup. I mean, look at this carburetor setup. It's old school, simple. I don't know. Love, hate. What do you guys think? Do you guys work on these things? Do you like them? Do you have the same opinion as me? I don't know. What do you guys think? Put in the comments.